Hey, how's it going? It's Ollie here. So, on the move at the moment, so apologies for the slightly not professional quality of this video, but I've got something really crucial I want to share with you about building an Amazon business. Now, there's 4 phases most Amazon sellers go through. In fact, any Amazon seller goes through them as they're getting their business moving and transitioning to making it a success, right? Phase 1 is when you haven't started yet, you haven't got a niche, you haven't got a product, you haven't got your account set up, and you need to get everything sorted, right? Phase 2 is where you found a product and you've validated it, right? You validated the product, you've got some sales, but you're not making any profit, right? A lot of sellers get stuck at phase 2 because they found a really good product, but they're not making an income yet. Phase 3 is where you've got the product and now you've got it to consistent profits every single month. So it's selling, it's making like 10 sales per day, it's doing very well. Now you just need to launch more of those products or similar products to hit your income goals. Phase 4 is where you've launched a load of products, you've replaced the income from your job, and now you can run the Amazon business full time. So what I wanted to talk about with you today, while I'm sitting here just in Stockholm in a hotel lobby, right in between traveling, is how you can skyrocket from phase 1 all the way to phase 4 seamlessly, effortlessly, and the quickest way possible. So I've actually realized that there is a much easier way to do this stuff than what a lot of other people have been doing, or a lot of Amazon sellers are doing. It's using something called importing automation. Importing automation. So on Thursday, the 21st of November, I've got a masterclass where I'm going to break down to you how to use importing automation to build a phase 4 Amazon business, to skyrocket your way to phase 4. There should be a link on the screen if you want to sign up. And on this session, we're going to cover 3 things, which I think once you understand each one of these things, you'll skyrocket your progress all the way to the phase 4 Amazon business. Okay, so the first one is how I launched a private label product on Amazon that paid for my Swedish rockstar apartment. Right, I live in this incredible apartment in Stockholm. It's like the dream place you want to live, and one product paid for it. Okay, I'm going to show you how I found that product. Number 2, how do you get products into your Amazon account without speaking to any suppliers, without speaking to any shipping companies, and how do you do it without seeing or touching the products ever? Okay, secret number 3, the 6 magic pieces all top 1% Amazon sellers, and the cream of the crop, the best Amazon sellers on the platform, 6 magic pieces they all have inside their businesses. Now, if you have these 6 pieces in your business, you will ascend the ranks to phase 4 very, very quickly. If you have even one missing, then you can wave your goals goodbye. So click the link on the screen, should be on the top left or the bottom right of your screen, depending on whether you're watching this on mobile or desktop. Click the link, sign up for the session, and I'll catch you there, and you'll learn how to use importing automation to build a phase 4 Amazon business. Thanks so much for watching. Click the link and I'll catch you soon.